Hey everyone, thank you for downloading and installing Reactiv 2.0. We have a huge update and I just want to walk you through. We've made some dramatic improvements. So first up, you're going to see that the camera has been improved significantly. You have this new gear icon on the camera, and if you click that, you can control your on-screen presence. You can change your name, you can add a title, you can even add a logo that represents your company, and things like an image for video mute, such that you can turn your camera off and jump to a static image. On top of that, we also have a new tab here in your workspace called Library. And Library really is your common shortcuts. So if you have a bunch of folders that contain all of your videos, your brochures, you can easily add them in the settings, and every presentation will have automatic access to this content. So you can pull up any type of information that you want quickly, ink on it, save the notes back into your customer folder. So it's really a quick access shortcut that reduces the requirement for you to copy all of your content over all the time. And the next big news that we have is we have a completely new module called Reactiv PITCH. And when you go to the home screen, you're actually going to see a new icon called Pitch. Pitch will let you do an awesome Reactiv meeting with any file that you want in 2 to 3 clicks. That's it. Click on it, select a file, and what you do is you can very quickly jump into a templated presentation where you pick your media, you pick your background, and you instantly do an amazing presentation. Try it out. And last but not least, Reactiv has a freemium mode now. So you could use Reactiv for $0 and still have an amazing, interactive, and engaging meeting. A few features are turned off, but if you are tight on budget, it still will be a better whiteboard and a better presentation mode than any other app that's out there. So I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for your support. Please check it out.